Alright, so your next skill is write fractions in its lowest terms, which basically is just another word for simplifying. So in your form, I shared with you a factor sheet right here. If you click on it, it's going to actually give you all the factors from 1 to 100. Okay, so that's your factor sheet. Now, all you do is, as we've said before, when you simplify, you are just taking the greatest common factor and dividing it by the numerator and the denominator. So here, if you have 2/4 and you want to simplify that, that means you're making the values smaller. You find the greatest common factor between 2 and 4. And you could look at your sheet if you want. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. And so the greatest common factor is 2, which means you divide by 2. So here, now we divide across here. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. And so the fraction in its lowest term would be 1/2. So here you would write 1/2. Okay, so same thing. You have 6/9. What are you going to do? You're going to simplify this. So again, we take 6 and 9. Here's 6. Here's 9. And then you're going to find the greatest common factor between them. Again, if you want to look at your factor sheet, you can. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. So the greatest common factor between them is 3. Which means, once I find the greatest common factor, I divide. So we divide by 3 over 3. And we get 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. And so here, in its lowest terms, in its simplest form, 6/9 is 2/3. So all you do, literally all you're doing is you're taking, as we've done multiple times, you have the greatest common factor and you divide it by the numerator and by the denominator. And then you're good to go.